In July 2025, historic flash floods swept through Ruidoso, New Mexico, following record-breaking rainfall. According to the National Weather Service, some areas received over 5 inches of rain in less than 24 hours. Rivers like the Rio Ruidoso rose more than 20 feet within half an hour, breaking all previous records and leaving entire neighborhoods submerged. Local reports from ABC News showed floodwaters sweeping away cars, mobile homes, and entire sections of roadways. Officials confirmed that dozens of homes were destroyed and vehicles were left stranded or submerged. Emergency rescue teams responded to over 85 rescue calls in less than 2 days, highlighting the severe impact of the storm.
The situation here on Main Street in Ruidoso is dire as floodwaters continue to rise, engulfing businesses and vehicles.
Anybody in there? Can you hear me? Hello? We're gonna get you all to safety. Just hold on tight.
Thank you so much.
We gotcha! Hold on tight, little one. We're getting you to safety.
The New Mexico Department of Public Safety confirmed at least 3 fatalities, 1 adult and 2 children, during the July 2025 flash floods in Lincoln County. Search and rescue teams worked around the clock to locate missing residents and bring survivors to safety.
Coming again!
According to the National Weather Service, the flash floods followed a series of severe monsoon storms. Burn scars from previous wildfires made the ground less absorbent, causing water to flow rapidly and increasing the risk of mudslides and debris flows across New Mexico's mountainous regions.
Ayuda!
Help us! Help it us!
State and local authorities issued evacuation orders for multiple neighborhoods. Public alerts urged residents to avoid travel, stay off flooded roads, and follow evacuation instructions promptly. In many cases, residents who attempted to drive through water became trapped or required rescue.
Reports of rapidly rising water levels in the Rio Grande. All residents in low-lying areas are urged to seek higher ground.
Everyone, stay calm. Move to the back. We need to get out the back exit. Is everyone okay over there?
We need help! My child can't stop crying!
Rescue is coming, hold on.
Officials repeatedly warned that even a foot of rushing water can sweep away vehicles and people. The National Weather Service stressed, "Turn around, don't drown," reminding residents that most flood-related deaths occur in vehicles when drivers attempt to cross flooded roadways.
Oh my God! Holy shit!
I feel like being trapped. It's okay, come here. You're okay. My car! Oh my God.
Oh my God! It's coming so fast! Help! Help! Somebody help!
We're in the middle of a flash flood here in southern New Mexico. The water is rising fast. The van is shaking. We're trying to get through. Get him out! We've got you!
Flooding forced the closure of schools, clinics, and major roads. The American Red Cross and local volunteers established distribution points for clean water, meals, and emergency supplies. Recovery and cleanup are expected to take weeks, with some homes declared uninhabitable due to extensive water and mud damage. First responders credited the timely cooperation between residents, emergency services, and the National Guard for saving lives. Regular disaster drills and community preparedness programs were cited as factors that helped minimize loss of life in affected areas. Major news networks and AI-generated simulations have been used to demonstrate the dangers of flash floods. Educational campaigns on television, radio, and social media emphasize the need for awareness, evacuation planning, and responsible action during severe weather.
We need additional support. Repeat, additional support. Family with children.
As New Mexico begins to recover, authorities urge everyone to learn from these events. Always respect weather warnings, never underestimate floodwaters, and help build resilient communities. United efforts and ongoing education will help ensure safety in the face of natural disasters.
Connor, come on back.
Timely information can help keep you and your loved ones safe during storm season. Hit the subscribe button and share this video to spread life-saving flood safety tips to everyone around you.